it's Tammy, and I know in my last card I used these same colors, but I am just really liking them, so I am going to use them again with my Petal palette stamp set. This is card number 2 of this series, and for this one we're going to kind of make our own background page, and I think it will be really fun. I am going to first go ahead and make a card base out of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and you guys probably know this, but you cut it at 5.5, and then you can score it at 4.25, and that makes a regular A2 size card, and you get 2 out of one 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. Now I also need a band of, I don't know which way I want to go. A band to go on this, so I don't know how big I want it to be. I'm going to say, let's go with 3 inches and see what that looks like. That might be too big. I don't know. And then I'm going to also go in 1/2 inch. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go up 1/2 inch as well, because I want to give this a nice border, and I'm going to use my crushed curry cardstock as the border for this as well. So this ended up being 2.5 inches, so I'm going to cut this at 3, and I think that that might just do it. If I center this and then put this on the card, yes, that is the look I am going for. So I'm going to take my piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to just put a piece underneath it, and I'm going to take my basic black, and this is archival ink, and I am just going to have some fun stamping. So this is a little rose. And I'm going to kind of stamp off the page over here. And then I'm going to stamp a little bit more over here. And then I think I want to use this one and this one. So I'm just going to ink this up, and I'm just going to stamp it 2 or 3 times. Now we're just making our own background paper right now. Same with this one. And you just want to fill up the page like that. And you can do it however you think would look nice, but you want to kind of put a lot on because you're going to color some of these, and we're going to use the aqua painter. So I'm going to turn this over so you can see a little better. So I'm using my aqua painter, and I'm going to take the crushed curry, And I'm going to make these little yellow roses. And I don't know if I want to color them all or not, so I'm just going to start with some. And color them in. And I love watercoloring, which is what you're doing with your aqua, what I'm doing with my aqua painter. When you use that, that's what you are doing, because this is all water in this pen, and that's what's helping create the beautiful coloring and different shading of the flowers. And if you go over some areas with a little more, that will make them a little darker. I think I'm going to go ahead and color all of them because I'm just really liking it. Okay, I think that got them all. So now I'm just going to wipe off my brush, and then I'm going to take the Always Artichoke, make sure it has some on the lid. It does. I'm going to go in and color these leaves. And again, it's just lots of fun, and you don't have to, when you're watercoloring, I don't feel like you have to be so precise. So it's kind of nice too, because I can be a little sloppy and it looks good. Oh, I missed a little flower there. Perhaps that's one too. I'm just going over a little bit of the areas that I feel like I want to be a little darker. All right. I'm going to open this back up because I forgot that one little flower. And maybe this one, so I'm going to color that one too. And this was inspired by some of our designer series paper. So you can almost make your own designer series paper. If you don't purchase what we have, you can create your own background paper using some of the stamps that you have, and it's fun. So I'm going to put this down in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to place this in the middle of this. And then if you wanted to put a sentiment on here, you could. This came with a lot of sentiments. Let's see. I just love you sounds kind of good. I'm gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna do that in the black. I'm just gonna put it right down here in the corner. And I'll put this back. And I think I'll use one of these guys, one of the big ones maybe. And then I'm also thinking I'll take my aqua painter, and love is the word that I would want to highlight in this, and it obviously they did too with it being cursive, and I will just color that in. Clean off my aqua brush, put those away, and this is our finished card. Isn't that cute and super easy and super fun to make? Again, this is the Petal palette that is available as a bundle with Thinlits, and it's quite a nice set. And this is available through Stampin' Up, and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. My website is found down below. If you guys are interested, you can just click on that and shop 24/7. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.